Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to either turn on or turn off Gemini Google Assistant in your Android phone. So I'm going to show you how to do this both with using the wake word, which is going to be Hey Google, and I'm also going to show you how you can change the power button on your phone so that instead of going to your power options, it will open up your Gemini Google Assistant. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can toggle on or off the wake word Hey Google. So we're going to do this by opening the Gemini app. If you don't have this on your home page, it should be in your apps. So at the bottom of your smartphone, if you drag your screen up with your thumb, you should be able to find the Gemini app in this area, again, if it's not on your homepage already. So opening up the Gemini app, and from there we want to click on our little profile icon here in the upper right hand corner. Then from there we're going to scroll down until we find where it says settings, and we're going to click on that. And in your Gemini settings, you want to scroll down until you find where it says Talk to Gemini Hands-Free, and this is where you can toggle on or off that option. So we're going to click on this. And then from here, what we're going to do is toggle this on if we want to use this wake word to use Gemini, or if you don't want to have this feature, you can toggle this to the off position. I want to turn it on, so I'm going to toggle this to the on position. And then on the next page, we click where it says turn on. Now I'm going to head back to the home page of my smartphone. I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off having Gemini being used for the power button on your phone. To do this, we're going to take our finger and scroll down from the top of our phone. Then what we want to do from here is open up our settings by clicking on this little settings gear. And then in our settings, we want to search for power button. And when we type that in, we should have the power button option show up in this area. So we're going to click on that. And you can see currently, if I press and hold the power button, it's going to open up my power menu. So I can switch this to Google Gemini by clicking on this option here. And it gives me the option to switch this over to the Google Digital Assistant if I'd like to do that. Now, if you currently have it set on your Google Digital Assistant and you'd rather have this be your power button, then you can switch back to that option as well. That'll wrap this one up. I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, walking you through the steps on how you can use Gemini with your Android phone, whether you use Gemini through the Google wake word or if you'd like to use this by clicking on the power button on your phone. Either way, you can toggle those on or off, whichever your preference may be for this feature.